Okay. Hi, I'm Gareth Goodseer. I'm the vineyard manager here at Yealands Estate, Seaview Vineyard. First plants went back here in the ground in 2003. The area was deemed, I guess, unsuitable back then for planting grapes. But Peter had a great idea and great vision and started working with the land back in 2003, and we've progressed from then till now, and the property's now a 1,000 hectare planted property. What we try to do here is be as sustainable as possible with every aspect of what we do, whether it's from when the plants first go in the ground right through until the winemaking process. We're trying to leave, I guess, the environment in a better place than what it was before we started, and that includes working with our soils, nutrition, all sorts of stuff right through, like I said, into the winemaking process, generating our own power, or as much of it as we can, reusing waste that we get in the vineyard or the winery and getting it back out onto the ground where possible. We really just try to do things, I guess, as environmentally friendly as we can and improve the place as much as possible. Yeah, here at the Seaview property, we are probably about 65% Sauvignon Blanc, 10 to 12% Pinot Noir, about 15% Pinot Gris. The property is quite unique in that it's all in rolling country. It gives us quite a unique style of wine or grape grown and then wine made compared to everybody else. We have a very shallow topsoil and a very high sodium content in our soil here. It's very difficult to grow in those conditions if you don't look after it properly, and that's where gypsum plays a massive part in us being able to do that, improving our soil structure, helping displace that sodium out of the soil. It's able to leach out and get through. Opens up all the soil, which then allows all our other nutrition and stuff that we need for growing the grapes to be taken up properly and used effectively. Along with all the other benefits of the soil structure and sodium displacement in our soils, calcium and sulphur are key ingredients in growing good grapes. The gypsum supplies that for us. We've used gypsum since the very start of the development. It's part of the recipe every year for us here at Yealands. It'll be coming up to probably close to, 15 years since we put the first lot on. We probably go through between 1,000 and 1,500 tonnes a year, changes from 1 tonne a hectare to 2 tonne a hectare, depending on location of block and site and variety grown. But it's probably the most stable part of our nutritional thing every year that we do, and it's a real necessity for us. Works very, very effectively. The company is certainly wanting to continue to grow, that's for sure. We're currently in the process of developing another 102 hectares this year and a little bit more on the books for next year. Most of that is all situated here at Seaview. Definitely the company's looking to continue to grow and keep producing the good wines that we are. So gypsum will forever play a part in our program for sure, especially here at Seaview.